All right, in this example, we're being asked to find the 200th term in an arithmetic sequence, and we're given that the first term is negative 40, and the common difference is 5. Okay, well, the way an arithmetic sequence works is that you just take your starting number and then you keep adding on the common difference. So I could get a sub 2 by just doing negative 40 plus 5, get that number. Then I could get a sub 3 by taking whatever I got for a sub 2, adding 5 to it again, and I would just keep adding 5. Now, that's good. You can get your list of numbers, your sequence, but they're asking for the 200th term in the sequence. So it would not be reasonable to sit here and write out the first term and then get the second and the third and the fourth and the fifth and keep doing this like 200 times. That would not be reasonable, which is okay because that's not what you're expected to do. You have this formula for how to get any term in an arithmetic sequence, and it goes a sub n, so the nth term, is equal to whatever your first term was, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. If you think about this, this should make a lot of sense. Let's go ahead and plug in our values and then look at it. So we're looking for a sub 200. We've got our initial term of negative 40. We're adding on 200 minus 1 times the common difference of 5. So we have negative 40 plus 199 times 5. Now let's look at this. You've got your first term, and then remember the way a sequence works is you're going to add 5. Then you're going to add 5 again. Then you're going to add 5 again, and again, and again. What you're doing is that when you add the same number over and over and over again, that's really just multiplication. So what this is saying is to get the 200th term, take your starting term, and then add the common difference of 5 to it 199 times, right? I'm not going to do it 200 times because that would give me the next value up, right? I do it 199 times all the way before this term right here. And so that's where this formula comes from. Just add 5 this many times to your first term. So let's go ahead and calculate that. Negative 40 plus 199 times 5 gives us 955. So there we go. If you're asked to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence and you have the first term and the common difference, just a matter of taking these values and plugging them into this guy right here. And that is this example.